All right, this is kind of cool. So Industrial has these really cool air fresheners. Ooh, they smell kind of good too. Look at that. Got the El Diablo Loco on there. So man, if you're a trucker, you should get you one of these if you're a trucker. Keep that old truck smelling good. Because we know you're driving around there farting yourself to death. When you're by yourself going down the highway, just farting it up after you just ate some nasty shit from the Flying J, you gotta get you an air freshener. All right, so me and Cody from Industrial Injection are here at the World of Concrete, walking around, checking out a bunch of the really cool stuff that they have here, which relates a lot with the diesel industry. Most anything that you see here at the World of Concrete is diesel related, and that's where we come into play here, being at the show, on looking at some of these pieces of equipment that a lot of common rail stuff here.
Lots of common rail. All new equipment is common rail based. But yeah, I mean, we've talked to a lot of customers that have a small fleet, medium-sized fleets. You know, if you're looking to work on your equipment and keep it maintained and keep it putting it to work without breaking down, I mean, that's where we come in. We sell all the components, the injectors, turbos, engine parts, and you know, that's basically like a tune-up on a diesel engine.
Well, and a lot of guys that are here at the World of Concrete come to enjoy the World of Concrete, but they all have, you know, 10-year-old trucks back at the shop. You know, when you have 15 pieces of equipment between loaders, backhoes, bobcats, trucks, everything,
transporting all the your equipment and your material, they all have diesel trucks.
All have diesels, and a lot of them, you know, might have 600,000-700,000 miles on them. You want to keep them running.
Right.
That's where Industrial Injection specializes in, is fixing a lot of your guys' stuff that you don't want to go out and spend, you know, $250,000 on a new Peterbilt. If that old truck still runs pretty good, it's got a little hiccup maybe with the injectors, maybe that turbo's getting a little tired, boom, tune-up.
Tune-up.
So anyway, we're gonna go walk around a little bit more and enjoy this. So I just wanted to invite everybody to watch this video on the World of Concrete, check out some of the cool things we're seeing here.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Let's go. So I know you guys, if you've been watching my YouTube videos, I do use a little Bobcat. It's an old Bobcat. I mean, I got 3,500 hours on it. It's got some hours on it, but it runs great, and I've had good luck with it so far. But keeping up on the maintenance, injectors, turbos, anything diesel related with the Bobcat, you can get that part at Industrial Injection. So make sure that if you guys have like a, you know, even an old Geel or a Cat or a John Deere, you know, Bobcat, whatever it is, Industrial Injection has the fuel pumps for them, injectors, and most of the fuel parts that you're gonna need to keep that thing on the road. So, or in the dirt. But anyway, I was here at Bobcat and they got some really awesome stuff here. So thought I would share that with you about my Bobcat. I don't know, I'm a fan of the Bobcats and I love them, so. I wish I could get a free one. Anybody want to give up one? Nah, I don't think anybody in here gives a shit whether they want to give one up. So anyway, this is pretty badass though. This is probably a $120,000 piece of equipment right here. Looks like fun. And remember guys, if you got some old Cat equipment, a lot of these old loaders and stuff like that you need pumps built for, injectors, Industrial Injection, that's where they started back in the old days, is doing stuff on these old Caterpillars. So if you're still trying to keep your old Cat alive, which they will live, but you got a fuel problem, turbo, whatever, Industrial Injection is gonna have what you need to keep your old equipment on the road and going. Okay, guys, we're just wrapping up here at the 2026 World of Concrete, hanging out here with the industrial boys at the industrial booth. It's been a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you didn't make it this year, we'll see you next year.